place, I will be at your place forever. If the God, अगर ईश्वर की मर्जी हुई, अल्लाह की मर्जी हुई, तो आपका शिष्य बनूंगा इसी प्लेटफॉर्म पर.
Inshallah, inshallah. First I'll come to the question and then inshallah I'll reply to the last comment. As far as the question is concerned, that you are in the stock market about futures and options, etc. And you are so good in maths and analyzing that always at the end of the month you make a profit. So the question is that is this earning halal or haram? As far as the stock market is concerned, stock per se is not haram, per se. As long as the stocks you deal in, it is according to the guideline is different. So, Islam encourages profit and loss sharing. In the stock market, what do you do? That you buy a share. So you become a partner in that company. Whether 1%, 10%, 0.1%, 0.01%.
So you're not replying to the right point I'm asking. It is futures and options. You can just pay 10 rupees and buy stocks for 100 rupees and you keep it for years and years together.
I'm coming to it.
Yes.
I like now coming to the futures option, that you buy part of the shares and you deal within, etc. Talking about futures, if you pay part and have it with you, I know you can sell and even then you get a security on that. I may not be an expert like you, but I mean this is. So dealing in futures, it's not permitted. It's not. Margin trading in certain things like real estate, you buy 10% of that and then it increases because you have to make timely payment. If you buy a flat, suppose the payment time is 2 years, you pay 10% now, 20% later, the rates go up, you sell, that's fine. But in shares it doesn't work like that. In futures it doesn't work like that. So because you don't possess it in your hands, you have paid part of the money and then someone else backs you up that if it goes down, then they hedge it. You know hedging? They hedge it. So all these things are not permitted in Islam. But pure stock, as long as the thing which you deal in, if it is Islamic, it's allowed. And you ask me the question, that all these things that you get a large money income. If it's not allowed, you will like it. See, the money that you earn, as you said, if it's not permitted, you stop it. So what we are interested in peace in this world and the Akhirah. The peace in the next world is a longer peace. So if you are earning the halal, inshallah, you will get.
आप सब भाइयों ने देखा होगा इतने बड़े मेंबर के आगे बयान दिया है, और मैं तो नहीं इस बात को मानता कि अभी भी किसी और भाई का कोई मुसलमान भाई इतना बड़ा बयान दे दे, इतने बड़े मुसलमान मेंबर और इंडिया में खड़ा होकर बयान दे दे इसके बारे में, तो वो बहुत बड़ी बात होती है। बाकी भाई जितनी मुंह उतनी बातें होती हैं। ध्यान रखिए, आपका जिस तरह माइंड करे, आपका जिस तरह दिल करे वैसे काम करिए, और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर करिएगा और वीडियो पूरी लाजमी देखिएगा।